Guys, welcome back to my channel. Blaze King here, and I wanna show you something first. Look at my armor. I have mending, and I have mending on some of my tools. On this one, and where is my axe here? Only I got this much mending, and next is here. I explored the Nether Fortress at back, and I got the brewing stand. Not got. I made the brewing stand because I found a blaze spawner. So it is not containing any potions, and I have made a chest here for potions, and I have some fire resistance because I killed some magma cubes, I think you call them, and I have some in here too. And I got soak touch on my pickaxe, so I mine like whole ores, and this is my new chest with some smooth stones in it. And next thing is when I saw that thing, I was just super angry, but afterwards I was very good too. So the thing is this, yeah, I made all the with the oak wood to make it look good, but I think any zombie had spawned, and you can see what has happened. But afterwards I would say that this is a good, very good, because when you make the zombie villager into normal villager, it will give you like discount on every raid. And I made another room here down. This is my chest collection. Here is the mob drops. I'm not gonna show you the mob drops still, and I just put here but not put anything in them. And so let me show you my mob drops. I have been grinding my mob farm for some like 2 or 3 hours, and this is what I got. I have bones in my chest, string. Oh. And so we have 2 rows full of gunpowder, so I don't think we need to make the creeper farm now. And I make the floor of oak wood too. I made nothing else here, and I have not still checked my the mob farm chest. I made it double. I think I have just shown you. And there are many bows with good bows. My bow is like very good. I don't know where I got the iron ingots, and here is also very much gunpowder. And this also thankful, yes, I do like this because I don't need these bows. They are also very bad, and I also don't need this leather. I am keeping the gold because it is good and you can make it into nuggets. And let me yellow carpet, and it is gonna afterward disappear. And the next thing that I have made is in the mob farm, not mob farm. It is in the nether, and I explored the nether fortress, so I got some nether wart to make some potions. I made also them a farm, and I have some in my inventory, so let's plant them. And I also have a little bit surprise for you. That is not a very much big surprise, but let me show you. So if you go here, I made this path that goes all the way to the level. I have been still making this path. I made some stairs because of the soft touch pickaxe I was having too much smooth stone. And here is a very good view too, and there we can see our nether fortress. And I have to make here like this because down here is a lava lake. You wanna see? Yeah, there is the lava lake, and I have been carrying some potions with me too. And if you go here, this is some magma, and here you can see a netherite. Is it only one? Not two? Oh yeah. So I have two ancient debris. Is it that how you pronounce it? Ancient debris. And what? And so let's go to the. I searched that where you can find the debris, and it says from the level 8 to 24 you can find. So let's dig down. And in this episode I will be doing some netherite mining. Oh, I came all the way here to just show you the netherite, but I forgot to get some TNT. I had also collected some sand, not stand. So let's go in the overworld, and I will make some TNT and I will come here.
So I got some TNTs, and you know that how I always find netherite by exploding the TNT with buttons, because buttons are very cheap to get also, and that is my, what do you call, I always when I talk I forgot the words. So let's do some netherite mining. I always see the people doing like this. I know it is very hard to mine in PE. Any ancient debris? No? I think not. I don't have any netherrack. I have put all the netherrack in the chest. Um, so let's do some mining. I am doing mining. What am I talking about? And I heard these gas sound. They are like very irritating. This is very satisfying. I like these sounds very much. So I have done very little mining on camera, so I don't know that how will you guys see me. When I watch my videos, I was also always like what. Well, I always enjoy my videos. Yeah. Oh, one. Any other? So I guess nope. I always see the quotes as like them. Yeah, well, they are very difficult to see. I brought the fire resistance and I don't even need them. Fire resistance is always needed when blasting the beds, and I am not doing that. It is very dangerous. What? Oh,
Another blast, and run. I don't wanna fall from here. So I think now I should drink this fire protection. It is 8 minutes, so which is very good. When the TNT exploded, I didn't see any debris. So can you see them from like here? Yeah, it is very good. But there is nothing here, I cannot see them. Okay, so I think that lava is just like water, you can go in it. Oh, this is the lava lake. this is very difficult to block them. Okay. There is no debris in it, so why am I doing this? Okay, I was in the lava, I don't even notice. There is no debris. And I am out of. No. Another egg. I don't even know that why am I doing this? Leave it, I am not gonna do that. This is very dangerous. And what? Is there a whole lava lake? What? So I think this direction is not good. I have to change my direction. This is so too slow. Yeah. So let's mine here. This okay. So let's mine here. I think I will again encounter the lava lake. I don't even know that why I ran this far. No debris, but there are so much. I am not gonna mine that side. I am gonna mine this side now. I think that this is more good too. Mining in every side. My game is now started too much lag. I have done here so much. I'm sorry guys, my game was started a little bit glitching, so I closed that game and restarted. And what? There are two debris and there is too much lava. And so let's go there. And so let's take a debris. Only two. No, you are not gonna go down there. So let's do another blast. Not like this. And run. Oh, what? I don't even have fire resistance. Glass bottle, here is the potion. How do I even stop them? They are not even from any lake, or I think this is a lava lake. This direction is also not good. Lava is too slow, too much slow. And magma cubes also don't hurt me. I thought I encountered any other So where to mine? Everywhere is a big lava lake. So now do I mine here? So let's do mining here too. Let's see what we got here. I have shovel. Wait a minute, I have 3. So let's explore here. Let me put all these away from here. I don't need course, I don't need bow. Where did I got a saddle? What? Why are there 2 iron doors? I don't know what is happening. And here my buttons, shovel. Mm. So let's do another blast. Oh. I think there is also another lava lake. If there is again, I am gonna be then going straight there. There is one block of soul set, one ancient debris. I am gonna be mining it this way. Was only this the lava flow? Still not closed. I can never be out of netherrack. Just go down and take them. Here are some, and here is the debris. Oh, another one. Oh, another one. This is the best one. Best side. I am gonna be mining this. And lava flow is still not closed. I can't even place the blocks. I just saw one another up there. I think that was goats. And how do I stop this flow? Seriously, this is a big lava lake. I am still not gonna mine this way. I have to go somewhere. I have 6 now, 1 in the chest, up in my nether chest. I think that we will go straight here. Only 2 minutes left. This was a big lava lake, I forgot. If everywhere is the lava lake, so where can I even mine? So I got 6, 7. Oh, I need only one more to make 2 ingots. So I will meet you in the overworld and we will first enchant our pickaxe. Can you see what just happened here? That stupid creeper just exploded my house. Mm, I have to do something. How does my inventory always get full? Why did I came here? Oh, I need some gold. There is no gold. I also need to make a smithing table. This is the table. Oh, you can make it from the this. So you need 2 iron and 2. Okay. I will repair that. Just wait a minute. Let me show you that how I make um, so now we can make one. Here first you have to make a. Oh, I have to smelt first it. Okay, so that is gonna take some time too. I have a blast furnace. My inventory is a big mess. What I do? Where there are these? I just opened the above one. Need to get some oak wood. What is happening? This is good. Okay, a door here, and I have some toes or not. I have some plates. Why am I doing this on camera? I don't know. Where is my axe? Where is he dying? Okay, it's day. I have some slabs. Yup. So sorry guys, I just made a netherite chest plate and a netherite pickaxe. I was making them and I was also recording, but I had not started the recording and I thought that I was recording, so I just made and 2 netherite ingots. There were one in the chest, and you know just what happened? A creeper had just exploded my whole house. That was very bad. I just never played one before in first person. I always play in first person. What am I talking about? I am also confused. How to open the gate? Okay, no, come in the gates. Yeah, okay, now. Yeah, so I was making them, and I smelted them, and I thought the video was going on, so sorry about that. And next episode we will also be doing some mining, and so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys within new video. So bye.